Hi, I'm Mr. Reporterman, and welcome to the news. Today we have a story about a man in a red jacket who made an invention.
Hi, I know. I got my jacket half off at a clearance sale.
Yes, you do look like you only buy clothes from the clearance section. Now, what about this invention thing?
Invention? What invention?
I don't know. Just show us something you made earlier, maybe.
Invention. Ah, yes, here's what I made earlier.
That was a weird intro. In it goes, I guess.
So, I made this thing. It's a gun that shoots programs on your computer to close them. Want to see how I made it? So, here's how it works. First, you plug the gun into the computer where it's recognized as a keyboard. Inconspicuous so far. Then, when Minecraft or Cyberpunk 2077 freezes up, you release the safety by uncovering, then flicking this red switch here. Note the switch only lights up when the safety is off. Finally, you point the gun at the program of your choosing and pull the trigger to fire a round of Alt F4 at the offending computer crashing code cruncher. And that's it, really. It's simple, easy, effective, and fun for the whole family. And hey, it might even work on real-world objects. Let's say, heaven forbid, you accidentally get duplicated. No. Just remove the safety.
Hi.
And fire.
No, please!
So, that was the Alt F4 pistol. It was a fun project and I really enjoyed making it. If you like this video, maybe consider subscribing. Now, how do I end this? Oh, I know. Oh, well, that certainly didn't work. Now I'm gone, but the end card is showing. I didn't tell them to like or subscribe. What an awful outro. And now we'll never get to tell them about our sponsor, Rage.